Time to sneak off cinema, see Inside Out 2. Ah.
In cinema.
Yes, I'm here now. Hey, who are you?
My name is Mandy from Ugly Dolls. Who are you?
I'm Momma Robotnik, and I sneak off cinema, see Inside Out 2.
Oh. Me too. Anyway. Nice to meet you, Momma Robotnik.
Nice to meet you too, Mandy. But anyway, let's buy tickets and go see Inside Out 2.
Yeah.
Wow, that movie is started.
Yeah. I agree with you.
1 hour and 36 minutes later.
Wow, that movie is very good to watch.
Yeah. I like this movie also. It's very good to watch.
Mom, how dare you sneak off cinema see Inside Out 2 without my permission? You're in mega very deep trouble. That's it, no more cinema for you. We going home right now and you're grounded until August.
W.A.
Mandy, why to sneak off cinema see Inside Out 2 without my permission? That's it, we going home right now and you're grounded for 5 days.
Okay, Moxy. Fine. Wah.
You lose. You lose.